Alright guys, today I'm showing you a trick that we can use on the Regents if you want to try to answer some multiple choice questions and you're not quite sure how to do it. So this trick works on questions where you're looking for the words that the expression is equal to or equivalent to or simplified with. So let's take a look. I don't see equal or equivalent. I'm going to move on. Equal and equivalent's not here either. This is solution set. Moving on, over here. So we have expression is equivalent. So now that I see these words, I know I can use the calculator to solve it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type this into the calculator. What I'm going to do, I turn the calculator on. I go to y equals, and over here, I'm going to type in 18x to the second power minus 50. It might look a little different on your calculator because your calculator should actually do the exponent. And what I'm going to do in y2 is I'm going to type in my multiple choice answers one at a time to see if I can figure out which one gives us the equivalent answers. So the option 1 is 2 times 3x plus 5, close parentheses, to the second power. Now I'm going to pull up the table to see if the values are equivalent. So I go to second table. I'm looking here. When x is 0, my first equation is negative 50. My second equation is 50, so they're not equivalent. I have negative 32, 128, 22, 242. So I'm looking for when both of them are equivalent. So I'm going to go back. It's not option 1. I'm going to clear this and try option 2. 2 times 3x minus 5 to the second power. Let's see, second table. I have negative 50 and 50. I have negative 32 and 8. They're not equivalent again. So let's go back. It's not option 2. Let's go to option 3. 2 times 3x minus 5, close parentheses, times 3x plus 5, close parentheses. Now check the table. Negative 50, negative 32, 22, 22, 112, 112. All the solutions are matching, so option 3 is our equivalent expression. Let's keep going, see if we find anything similar. So I'm looking for the words equivalent expression or simplified expression. This is not that. Keep going. Keep going. Let's see. Not yet. The expression is equivalent to. I have another question here, so let's go back. We're going to clear out the two y equals, and my first one is going to be the one from the question, x to the second power minus 10x plus 24. Go down. Now let's put option 1, x plus 12, close parentheses, x minus 2. Now let's check second table. They do not give me the same solutions. They are not equivalent. Go back to y equals. Clear. Let's put option 2. X minus 12. X plus 2. Check your table. Second table. 24, negative 24, 15, negative 33. They're not equal. Option 2 is not an answer. So let's go on to the next. Let's go to option 3. X plus 6. X plus 4. Second table. 24 and 24 are good. Let's see the next one. 15 and 35. They're not the same. This can't be the answer either. Let's go back to y equals, and let's try the last one, which should be the answer, but we'll just check to make sure. X minus 6, close parentheses, open parentheses, x minus 4. And let's check the table. Second table. 24, 24, 15, 15, 8, 8. These are correct solutions. Let's see if we can find any more that says equivalent expression. No. Or simplified expression. No. 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 Oh, wait. So here we have a laboratory technician used a function, this is the function, to model her research. Consider the following expressions. The function t of m is equivalent to, so we see those words again. We're going to go back. So this time we have to check all three options. So what we're going to do is we're going to first type our one from our question. Now we don't have, since we have y equals, we don't have to put t of m. So we're going to put 2 times 3, and then in the exponent on my side, because I don't have the little exponent that goes up, I'm going to put a parentheses 2x plus 1. Whoops, didn't go through. Plus 1. I'm going to close my parentheses. Now let's check the multiple choice options. So we have option 1, which is 6 times 3, close parentheses, exponent 2 times x, close parentheses. Let's see if these are equivalent. 6, 6, 54, 54, 46, 46. Now these are equivalent. Now I'm actually going to leave that in y2. I'm going to go to y3. We know that this one is equivalent, but we have to check the others because there could be more than one answer. Now let's try the second one. 6 times 6, and in the exponent, 2x. We're going to use x for the variable, even though they're using m. And second table. So now I know that y1 is equivalent and y2, so I'm going to go to y3 by shifting over to the right. We have 6 and 6, but now we have 216, 7,776. So these, option B is not equivalent. Let's go clear option B, and let's try option C. We have 6 times 9, close parentheses, to the m power, I'm going to do to the x power, and now let's check that table. So option 1 and option 2, we know it's equivalent. Now let's look at here, 6, 54, 486, 4,374. They're equivalent. So options 1 and 3 are equivalent. So the answer is number 3. So this works for any question when they're looking for equivalence expressions. Let's see if there's any more here. Okay, so that was 3 questions that we found. These here can be used to find the equivalent expressions. If you see that on the reagents, this is a technique you can use in case you're having trouble doing it algebraically.